How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your FACEiT IOMMU is disabled. So basically, when you encounter this problem, we need to go ahead and make a few changes on our actual BIOS setting. Now, I cannot actually show you because you have to go ahead and restart your computer right here. And then while you're at it, when the motherboard logo shows up, you can then press the delete button, F2 or F12, depending on your motherboard, and you will be taken to the actual settings of your motherboard or inside the Windows BIOS. Now, in here, we just want to navigate through the advanced setting, and then you will be able to find the Intel VT4 Direct, which is going to be the VTV. Now, you will be able to find this if you're using an Intel processor, and you could also make sure to enable the Intel virtualization technology. But if you're using an AMD, it's going to be the IOMMU. Once again, it's going to be inside settings. You have the IOMMU, and then just make sure that it is enabled right here. Now, there's a lot of different motherboard models out there, so I cannot show it all to you. There's basically Asus, Asurus, MSI, ASRock, and many more. So this is just a few example on different interfaces for motherboards, but generally it's just going to be inside advanced or setting for this options right here, and from there you should be good to go. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.